Hey everyone, Eric the IT guy Hendricks here, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to contribute to AlmaLinux using GitHub. No command line required. If you've ever wanted to help out with documentation, fix a typo, or add something small to the project, you can do it right from your browser in just a few clicks. In this short walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to make a small, safe change to one of AlmaLinux's GitHub repositories. We'll create our own copy of the project, add a simple demo file, and then submit a pull request, which is how you propose your changes to the community for review. Don't worry, you don't need any special tools or experience. Everything happens right in the web browser. Think of it like suggesting an improvement. You pull your changes into the main project so that maintainers can review, leave comments, and decide whether or not to include them. On GitHub, we call this a pull request, while on other platforms like GitLab, it's often called a merge request. Same idea, just a different name. It's the heart of how open source collaboration works. Anyone can make AlmaLinux better, one small contribution at a time. All right, let's jump into GitHub and walk through the process together. I'm here on the AlmaLinux GitHub page at github.com/AlmaLinux, that's the project name, at almalinux.org. That's a repository name. Don't worry, that link will be in the description below. The first thing we need to do is make our own copy of it. That's called a fork. So we click the fork button in the top right corner. I'll give mine a quick description. Then click Create Fork. That's it. Now we have our very own copy of the repo that we can safely edit. Now, let's add a new file. Click the Add File dropdown, then choose Create New File. For the name, I'll type techtip.txt. And for the content, I'll just add a quick message. This is just for a demonstration, so let's tell the team not to merge it. This is just a placeholder. In a real contribution, you might fix a typo in the documentation, add a link to a new resource, or even create a whole new page. Now, scroll down to the Commit Changes section. Here, you'll see a place to review or describe your changes. Below that, make sure to select Create a New Branch for this commit and start a pull request. For the branch name, I'll type itguyeric-demo-1. Then click Propose Changes. GitHub now takes me straight to the Open a Pull Request screen. This is where we describe what we did and why. For my description, I'll write something obvious like, I'm creating a tech tip for AlmaLinux's YouTube channel. Please don't merge this request. We don't need my sample file out there on the internet. Once that's pulled in, click Create Pull Request, and that's it. We've just submitted a pull request, or PR, to AlmaLinux. From here, maintainers can review it, leave comments, or merge it into the project if it's approved. You can see the conversation, the files that were changed, and checks here at the top for tracking progress. So that's the full process. Fork the repo, make a change, and submit your pull request, all right inside GitHub. It's really that simple to start contributing to open source projects just like AlmaLinux. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if there's something else you'd like to learn about next. And of course, if you want to get more involved with the community, visit almalinux.org. I'm Eric the IT guy Hendricks, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.